Bonjour. Bonjour, Français 3, Français 4. Hey, hello. Here are instructions for the speaking quiz, which is making your voice recording. So here is your Google Class page. You go to weekly assignments. There it is at the top, which is the speaking quiz. Here are the instructions, and I'm going to look at mostly recording an audio file with vocaroo.com. I scroll down. This is the material you need. So I will open one video. You listen to it because it's very good and useful, but you come to this screen. You get to the text that you're going to say, and part of it is covered at the top, but you then go back to the okay. You then go back to the material. Oh, je suis désolé. Okay, so I can't. Okay, so you need that material on the screen so that you can read it. But now I will go. So I will pretend that I have it on the screen. I will go to vocaroo, and I will say, I will now pretend I'm reading the screen from Alexa. Bonjour, je suis Alexa, je m'appelle Alexa, j'ai un frère et une sœur. Je suis l'enfant aîné, I am the oldest. So I read that whole screen. J'arrête. Now I do save and share, and I get the link. Save and share, there is the link. I can touch it if I want to and copy paste, or I don't need to touch it. I can use the copy button to the right, copy the link. I now go put that into my homework. Here is different class. Here is your class. I will go to people, and I will go to, classwork, weekly assignment. I will go to, I did it with Paula to show you, but I will go to Lynn. Oh, Lynn turned it in. Lynn is ready. I can listen to her, but I will go to Cassandra, and I will say, there's my link. So I went to Cassandra, and I put the link in the comment. That's the comments from the teacher to the student, or from the student to the teacher. And you can just send the comment and then turn in your assignment. So this is funny because this is just my recording, but there, I just sent my recording to Cassandra. So she can make her recording and turn it into me. I go back to the instructions, et voila. So I showed you this part, recording an audio with vocaroo.com, save and share, copy the link to the key clipboard, and paste it into a comment on your assignment. And so that is, I'm hoping, helping you to make the recording. Merci.